Let's create a new class named person, and here we will define a new init method. Init self will be the first argument, first name and last name will be the arguments. So let's put the properties. First name equals f name and self dot last name equals l name. Now we'll define a method. Let's make it as print name. Self will be the argument over here. So we'll print self dot first name and self dot last name. And now we'll create the child class. Let's put it class student. So here we'll put person as the argument. It will inherit from the parent class person. So we will define an init method, init, and then we'll put self as the argument and first name, last name, and here we will be using the super function. So what this super function will do? This will inherit all the methods and properties from the parent class. So let me make here first name and last name as the argument, and then we'll just create the object x is equals student, and let's name the student as slim, shady, and we'll put x dot print name. So let's run the program. So you can see it has printed the name. So let me copy this code and we'll add a new property here. So let me put a new property as self dot graduation year. So let us put it 2023, and here we'll make print, and then let's change here. Let's print the first name and last name, x dot first name, and let's print the last name, x dot last name, and then we'll put the graduation year also. Let's print x dot graduation year. So let's run it. So you can see it has printed the first name, last name as well as the graduation year. So now let me again paste this code, and I will put here a new argument. So let's put a new argument over here as year. Okay. And then we will just put self dot graduation year, and then we'll put it year. Okay. So we'll simply put here 2023 instead of putting the property. Okay. And then we will just print here the graduation year, x dot graduation year. So let's run it. So you can see it has printed the graduation year as well as the name. And now let's make a new method here. So let me put here the code, and now we will add a let me put first put here the year, that is 2023. So let me change here also the same thing, self dot graduation year equals okay year, and then we'll put here the new year. So in between this we'll add a new method. So let me name the method as welcome. Let's put self as the argument. So we'll print here, let's put here welcome, and we'll put the first name and last name, self dot first name and we'll put the self dot last name, okay, and let's put here to the class of 2023, and here we'll just put, let's delete all other things, okay, and we'll just print here the welcome. So let's run it. So you can see here it is printing welcome Slim Shady to the class of 2023. So if we add a method in the child class with the same name as the function in the parent class, the inheritance of the parent method will be overridden. We should always remember this.